Very democratic way that we are taking up here, and also you see many of our Congress leaders are injured now. Our Vice President, this is Hariso Goswami, is also injured now. They have beaten up like anything. This is not a fear. This government, this double engine government, always attacking to the people. They are anti-people. They are attacking to the Congress leaders. They are politicalizing the issue, and our demand is very simple, that we want to restore peace and normalcy in the state, and also to investigate this Modi Adani, this scheme. So in this regard, these two agenda, we are marching to Governor's Gate, but still now we are walking. We are trying to since this from 12 noon. And now still we are blocking at the gate of our party. We cannot reach out there at the Raj Bhavan gate. Now this is the situation you see. Many of the central forces are there at the road.
We are going to fight until peace is restored in Manipur, sir.
Yes.
We are going to fight until peace is restored in Manipur. Santi Phangandribao, lem na khoi tumi na toy. Santi Phangabakan na khoi tumi na legani.
Adum sele norman adum anything peace and norman
It is very unfortunate that the state government and the central government, they are trying their best to destroy the beauty of democracy here in Manipur. They are going beyond what is being said in the constitution. We are fighting for our right. We are fighting for our right. Why? Because more than 60,000 people, they are in the relief camps. Is it the way we are living to see this? Is it the government, how they are handling with the people of Manipur? They are beating us. They are hitting us. They are shooting us. Why? Because we raise our voice for the people of Manipur. We are raising our voice for the people of Manipur. Until and unless peace is restored, Santi Purak Tribao, Oi Tribao, Ya Tribao, Manipur ke praja miyam le nam haloi, maning sugan haloi. I call my fight over there. We are going to fight for peace. Santi ki lamjen ne khoi se lise. Yegnaba thise habagi lamjen nate. But Manipur government nas Bharat Sarkar na Samvidhan ke phasab se thugairaga akhoi je sasan Manipur base masidi. We are really against this double engine government. They are betraying the trust of the people of Manipur.
They are totally failed. Whatever they are doing right now and since 2023 May is unacceptable to the people of Manipur. So whatever they are doing is illegal and they are just doing whatever they can. So we are very much against them. They are blocking us. So we are marching towards the Raj Bhavan to hand over our memorandum. That's that time they are blocking us. That is very excessive right now.
Kita break tahu sih. Kita ngalo. Ya.
ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯄꯤꯔꯣ
ngasi yamna peaceful loina mayam si normal si akhoi march to governor raidana lakpani leader mayam loina yam peaceful khongchan ni adu india gi room security forces amasung state ki security forces namdana chatana ba peaceful march si bok chatana ba honor kwa du ba du da achok open minor oina sok open ba su kaya mo yore masi yam laibok tiben thamjage achok budu
I call Shanti. Amen. I call Shanti. Amen. Long live Manipur. Manipur is not great. Amen. BJP na Manipur na great. Thukai ba. BJP na Manipur thukai ba. Rupi angang hat ba. Isam praja hat ba. Manipur. Manipur!